Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and you are looking at a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I want to do something really weird. First weird thing is put my glasses on. Then the next thing is going to be find the large bottles of paint and make some puddles, seemingly random puddles. Because I want to see what happens when I tip random puddles. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and that is not okay. That has got to be an Anita's black metallic. And I have probably got a white one, a white metallic around here somewhere. But I think what I'm going to do is grab my gold. Am I? Yes, I am. Ha! Because I can is the name of my first book on the Amazon link underneath the link tree underneath Show More. So what else do I need here? I could probably put all kinds of things here. This is definitely a good experiment, one I've wanted to do for a while. Maybe, whoops, maybe cross some lines and put some more white in. I think we have almost enough paint to go more than a few places. And I like that experiment. Might as well go whole hog. Well, I kind of wanted a cross. Alright, so if it's not working, if it doesn't work out, I'll do something else with it. But in the meantime, I'm going to grab an edge catcher from over here. Because I might want it. You know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to wreck it. I think I've got frosting spreaders. Yes, I do. Slow that down. And I'll lift it up a little even and drag it more gently. Because I know it'll make gray if I'm not careful. I want to wipe that off. I definitely want something. Oh, there's something. There's several somethings. Okay, so I have choices. I could use my basting brush, I could use this large comb, or I could use this. And I think I like this because it's high up. Oh, there's no white in there. Let's put some white in there. Alright, cross your fingers. Let's put some more paint down to help other paint flow. I like to roll the wrong way first. It'll be interesting to see what this does. I maybe should have left more rest areas. I think it really depends on where I'm sending my flowing paint to. So as soon as you get some kind of theory, ooh, there's nice cells over here. I probably could have used some black enamel, and that would have been interesting. So I'm going to try and get as close to the edge as I can without going over. On as many sides as possible to see how far the paint is going to go. I'm going to try and recenter. Keep an eye on the flow of paint, where it's mostly going. I wanted to do a black and white, but I guess I'll just be happy with my black and white and gold. And I'm thinking about wrecking it again. Oh, that was the small side. Cool. It's a because I can moment again. Well, that's a short edge catcher. There's the one I'm looking for. So this is just meant to stop the paint from flowing off the canvas. And I may put it on the canvas on another spot, which I often do by using an OXO omelet turning spatula, one of which I have waiting for me, not in the bucket. I'm just going to flow that right over there and do the very same thing again. Do I want to do the very same thing again? Or do I want to put, maybe it's time. That is a 24 karat gold that I have put some orange into. Line up my edge catcher, hold it gently. At this time, I think I might be willing to take my pooled paint. I'm going to rock my edge catcher, and I'm going to throw the paint right back into the canvas again. Because that way I will get a better dispersal of the created 24 karat gold with orange in it. If I flow that down and I rock my edge catcher, I can move it down and try and cover that spot. Not that I should really worry about it, because it doesn't matter. I can always take it off with my spatula. I'm just letting a bead of paint roll right down to that other side. Who knows what I'm going to do with this? I might even put chain in here if I don't like it. There, I'm just going to take the rest of that paint. I've got quite a bit of gray paint now. It's not chain, but it's still fun to play with. Let's move some of that over here, just because we can. And I've got other paint. I've got a lot of gray paint coming off this canvas. I'm going to use my fingers to fill in some holes. Grab my edge catcher again. I'm going to look at my composition and see if I've got anything I want to do with it. I'm not super thrilled. But those are the moments I have some fun. Breaking the rules. Not that there are any rules. Grab a skewer and use the dull end. Yep, I like that. Let's do some more of that. I'm going to tip again too, which means this may all be for naught. I know there are other colors hiding underneath there. I'm seriously loving the textures that I've got going on. does tend to want to blend a little bit. Often agitated paint will sell, and there's nothing to keep us from continuously playing by adding waggles wherever I want to. I haven't torched, and I still have that over here that I need to figure out what I want to do with. I've got a balloon hanging around here somewhere. I kind of want to put a little of that orange right in the middle and a little more up there. Let's use the flat part of the skewer. Maybe I won't tip. Maybe I will just use the paint that I've got. Send it over the side. I've got quite a bit of paint on my edge catcher too, which would be perfect to cover that edge, actually. So why don't I do that? Alright, one gray edge created. Kind of like that white over there, but it isn't real. Where is the white pearl? I'm not seeing it. There it is. No rules. None at all. Not right now. Not while we're playing. Now if I wanted to put another color in here, it wouldn't be necessarily a bad time to do that. I'm going to take my edge catcher out of here. The only color that's really calling to me is not the orange. I want another color. I've got this Modern Masters color. Let me steal some of that. Let me just use some of this. Kind of looks a lot like copper. I'm not even sure what it's called anymore. Good thing the paint is deep or it probably wouldn't heal. I got 2 minutes left and I'm not sure I'm in love with what I've got, so I'm going to let it tip until I get some paint to come off, or I like what I've got better. I'm just experimenting the heck out of things today. Makes me want to find the white metallic and my balloon. Making a mess too. Ooh, I kind of think that's pretty actually. It's very heavy, which reminds me to tell you guys that I do use GAC 800 in all of my paint mixtures. Which keeps it from cracking when it's drying. That's pretty dramatic, really. It might be something I could work on tomorrow with some other layer, but I might also really like it the way it is. Got a few spots on my edges to cover up. Yeah, that's all going to be shimmery and gold and gray and black, and I like black and gray and gold. And I like this. And I still keep forgetting to use the enamel. And I am seeing things that should be bubbles popping. I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint from mixing with pouring medium. I shake my bottles with marbles. You can find the paint pouring recipe underneath the video, under the description, along with a Linktree link that has my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes, and more. If you're looking for the stuff that I add my designs to. I know it's busy, but I really like it. It's just gorgeous. And I'm a little surprised because I thought I was going to do something else, but it is what it is, and I like it. There's a lot to it. I don't see anything that I really want to change very much. I say that. Got to change something, right? So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Thanking almost 87,000 subscribers. Appreciate you guys being here, and if you want to be here again soon, you can find tomorrow's video, the midnight video at least, on the community board and also on Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation. Underneath the video, underneath the link tree, you will, oh, please can I have a thumbs up? You will find on my channel, excuse me very much, on my YouTube channel, not Phoenix Rising Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art, but you will find on my Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell, you will find 1,360 videos. I'm distracted. I kind of want to put some white in, but I don't know where I would put it because it doesn't really want it to go in there. So I'll tell you guys again, I love you very much, and thank you for visiting. If you're looking for the end screens with the exhibition video and the prizes for the monthly drawing, they're in the last 20 seconds. And if you want to be a contributor to the studio, and thank you to everybody who's been. I appreciate all of the contributions to help keep me painting. You can look for the PayPal or Patreon links under the link tree or on my YouTube channel header. And shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you. Look for Teespring clothing, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And I will see you guys anon. I'm sure I forgot something. I always do. But I don't forget to love you, and I do. See you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.